Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to another edition of Juls Flavor Bliss. And today's episode, we'll be making the fluffiest, yummiest, super soft donuts. So come on, join me in my kitchen and cook along with me.
And I will give you the easiest way to follow step by step in making the Krispy Kreme Inspired Donuts right in your very home. So here are the ingredients. "600 grams bread flour, 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg yolks, 70 grams granulated sugar, 2.5 teaspoon instant dry yeast, 400 ml warm milk, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, "100 grams unsalted butter at room temperature. And our very first step is we pour the warm milk into our mixing bowl. Then we'll add our instant dry yeast. Sugar, whole eggs plus the 2 egg yolks, nutmeg, bread flour only in one addition, then we'll top it with our salt. Our secret ingredient, baking powder. Just add about a teaspoon, and the baking powder will give an additional lift to the dough. And we're going to make this step-by-step recipe in real time so that you can really cook along with me. Mix it with the help of a dough hook. In a very slow motion in number 1 settings. Then we will gradually add the butter. By this process, our donuts will gonna be soft and fluffy. Mix, mix, mix. As you can see, our dough is very wet. But we have to avoid adding flour. But we have to put flour on the bench to prevent it from sticking. And we'll just dust it with a little flour. As you can see, our dough is so soft. For sure, we'll have a fluffy donuts later. We're just giving the dough a little knead to smoothen the top. We'll rest the dough in a well-greased bowl. Then we'll cover it with a cling wrap to prevent the surface from drying out. And we will let it rise for a couple of hours. After 2 hours of proofing, the dough must look like this. Put again some flour to our bench and we will roll the dough to flatten it. Then we'll cut it with our cookie cutter. So whatever size you want, big ones, small ones, it depends on you. Do not try to get the donuts, but instead just gather the scraps around it. And with the help of this plastic bench scraper, we release the donuts with care so that we avoid deforming our donuts. As you can see, I am gathering all the donuts and transferring them in a tray lined with parchment paper. Then we have to rest or proof them again for another 30 minutes. And with the help of a large piping tip, we'll make a hole on the center of each donut. For the glaze, I am mixing 600 grams or 1/4 cup of unsalted or melted butter. And then 195 grams icing sugar to 45 to 90 ml milk. And we're gonna dip each one of the donuts in this glazed, or you could also melt chocolates or just plain white sugar. But we go for this Krispy Kreme Inspired glazed donuts. So yummy! So you see how easy it is to make this Krispy Kreme Inspired donuts at home. I do hope you learned something from this channel. And if you want more recipes like this, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Please stay tuned every Wednesday for more fun and exciting kitchen adventure here in Juls Flavor Bliss. Shout out time! Nat Pascual of Pasig City, hi there! Thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe and stay well. God bless. Bye!